In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic testimonial slider to your hosting or website, a fantastic way to showcase customer feedback and build trust with your audience. Let's dive right in and explore the two options you have for implementing this feature. Our first method leverages the convenience of a built-in section provided by Hostinger. Start by logging into your Hostinger website editor. Once you're in, look for the option that says Add Section, typically found on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that and you'll be taken to a variety of pre-designed sections you can incorporate into your site. What you're looking for is the Testimonial section. Clicking on Testimonials will reveal multiple templates designed to meet different stylistic needs. Take your time to scroll through them, find one that best matches your site's aesthetic and your brand's voice. Once you've selected a template, you can easily customize it to reflect your customers' genuine feedback. Simply replace the placeholder text and images with your actual testimonials and photos. Be sure to maintain an engaging and readable design. And just like that, you have a testimonial slider seamlessly integrated into your website, ready to catch the eyes of potential customers and enhance your site's credibility. Now let's talk about the alternative approach, which is using a third-party widget. This option might appeal to you if you're seeking more customization or specific features not available in Hostinger's built-in options. Third-party platforms like Common Ninja or SociableKit offer robust testimonial widgets. Begin by navigating to your chosen platform and creating your widget. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces guiding you through designing a widget that aligns perfectly with your brand's identity. Experiment with different styles, animations, and layouts until you find the perfect fit. Once your widget looks just right, these platforms will supply you with an embed code. Copy this embed code carefully. Next, return to your Hostinger website editor. Locate the embed code element. This is usually in the same Add Section menu as where you found Testimonials. Drag this element onto your page and paste the embed code into the designated space. You should now see your tailored testimonial slider beautifully appear on your site. Whichever method you choose, remember that the key to impactful testimonials is authenticity. Ensure the feedback you display is honest and resonates with your potential customers, as this enhances trust and can significantly influence buying decisions. And that's it. You've successfully added a testimonial slider to your Hostinger website. This feature not only highlights customer satisfaction, but also encourages new visitors to engage with your services. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more website tips and tricks.